everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another testing video and today we are going to be testing Buxom makeup. Now this video is kind of special because it's in collaboration with Buxom. As you guys know, I will always be 100% honest and I only work with brands that I absolutely love. Anyone that's been following me for a while knows that for sure. But the opportunity to test this was really great because you guys have actually been asking me to test Buxom makeup for a while now. All my opinions are still 100% honest. You guys know that I will always be honest with every opinion that I give, but the reason why this video is so exciting is because there's actually a giveaway included in this video. So I'm going to talk about that first before we actually get into the video. What's amazing is that 5 of you guys actually have the chance to win this box full of products that I chose and used in this look. So this is actually what you could be winning. I'm going to tell you quickly what items they're going to be now, but you are actually going to see throughout this video that I test each and every one of these products. Also going to be a note in the box as well from me. I'm so excited for this giveaway in partnership with Buxom. Before we get into me showing you guys what Buxom products are actually in the box, I'm just going to quickly tell you guys the rules and it's super easy. What you need to do is click the link that's in my description box. It's going to be just like a quick form where you can just fill in your details and stuff like that. To do is follow Buxom, the handle is right here, and also Brandbox, and their handle is just there as well. So both of their Instagrams, Brandbox is basically the company that like puts these boxes together. Once you filled in the form and followed them both on Instagram, you will be automatically entered. There'll be 5 winners that will be randomly selected and they will win one of these. This competition is international and it will be open for 7 days from the day that this video goes live. The winners are going to be announced on the Brandbox Instagram account and also the winners will be emailed as well. So quickly before we get into the actual video, I'm just going to run through each of the products. You will see them in use throughout this video, so I'm not going to talk about them too much because obviously I want you guys to see my kind of like first impression and me testing them in this video. The first product that's in the box is this bronzer. This is the Hot Escapes bronzer by Buxom and it's in the shade Tahiti. Also inside the box is the Buxom May Contain Nudity eyeshadow palette and this contains 6 eyeshadow shades. You'll also be getting the Hold the Line waterproof eyeliner and this is in the shade Call Me, which is a black eyeliner. Also you'll be getting the Buxom Lash mascara. As you know, I'm obsessed with lip products, so I'm so excited that there are going to be 3 lip products in the box for you guys. It's going to be a lip pencil. This is the new Plumpline lip pencil and I chose the shade Undercover. This is actually new and it's launching this month, which is so exciting. Also, we have the Buxom Wildly Whipped Lightweight Liquid Lipstick and I picked the shade Centrefold. Finally, the last product is the Buxom Full On Lip Cream and this is in the shade White Russian. If you want to see all 6 of these products being used to the test in this video, then keep on watching. Be sure to enter the competition down below and also by following Brandbox and Buxom Cosmetics on Instagram. Now, I think that's all I have to say. Let's get on into the video. So as you can see, I have my foundation, concealer and powder on and I also did my eyebrows as well. I don't have any products that I'm going to be trying from Buxom for those, so I just went ahead and done it before we got started. The first product that we're going to be testing is the Buxom Hot Escapes bronzer and this is in the color Tahiti and it says that it has a light island scent, which is like really interesting. So this is what the bronzer looks like and it seems like a really nice sheen to it, so it's not going to be a matte bronzer. That does smell good. That does smell really nice. The smell kind of reminds me of like tanning oil a little bit, but like the nice tanning oil, you know, and it's got that smell of like coconut in it. It's really nice. But it's really light, really light. So if you get bothered by scented stuff, this won't bother you at all. Swatching it on my hand, it just looks like a really natural sheen. So it doesn't look shimmery or glittery or anything like that. So it's gonna hopefully look nice and glowy. Ooh, that is so nice. Like it looks super natural. So if you wanted to go for something that made you look like naturally bronzy, this is a really nice one to go for because it's like the color is really natural. Like it's a natural bronze color, as you can see, compared to my skin. It's like a couple of shades darker than my skin tone. And then because of that natural sheen, it looks really healthy, like a really nice healthy glow. That is so nice. Although for my skin tone it's not the darkest of bronzers, it applies really smoothly. It doesn't look patchy whatsoever. Because I have acne on my cheeks and I have that texture, it's really hard to get bronzers that look nice and smooth. especially because it has shimmer in it. Usually I would avoid that when it comes to like any skin texture. I definitely feel like it gives you that healthy glow that you need in the winter, because I don't know about you guys, but I am absolutely missing the sun right now. Now we're going to be moving on to eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow palette that we're going to be using is the Buxom May Contain Nudity eyeshadow palette. These are the 6 shades that come inside. They are really nice. They're like neutral nude shades, but they also have gold and like these sparkly browns, a mixture of matte and shimmer, which is really good for a palette, especially if you want to travel. So I think this would be a great palette to travel with. I've pulled you guys in a little bit closer, and the first color we're going to be taking is this natural nude shade right here. For me, this eyeshadow shade is such a nice transition color, just because it's like my skin, but just like a couple of shades darker, if that makes sense. Blend other colors into a color like that, everything just blends so much smoother. So I really, really like that. Now that we have our transition shade, I'm just going to be going into this matte shade right there, and then into the deeper part of our crease, just to give it a little bit of definition. And for the lid, I'm going to be taking the gold shade, just because I really like to go for them golden tones. I definitely don't want to go for anything too much on the top, because we're going to go for something a little bit smokier on the bottom. I'm going to be using the Buxom Hold the Line Waterproof Eyeliner, and this is in the color Call Me. This is a black eyeliner, and I've heard so many good things about this eyeliner, so I'm super excited to try this out. It actually comes with a sharpener. Really needed a sharpener. Basically glides on like a gel, but we're going to be using this in our waterline and also on the bottom, and then we're going to be smudging it out to make it smoky. I hate putting eyeliner on the inside of my eye. This honestly glides on so easily. So I'm just going to take some more of that brown eyeshadow and just use it to smudge out this liner. Kind of look that I'm going for is that kind of like inverted smoky eye, and then obviously when we apply our mascara, it will really kind of like pull it together. That eyeliner blended so easily, and I honestly can tell how good an eyeliner is going to be, because a lot of them, they apply like a gel, but they're really hard to blend out. But this is really nice because it blended out so smoothly. I didn't need to go back in with any eyeliner. It didn't like buff it away when I buffed it. It stayed really pigmented. Okay, so next we're going to be trying the Buxom Lash Mascara. This says that it intensely volumizes, separates, and defines. I love brushes like this where they have the like plastic, I don't know how to describe this, but when the actual brush is made from plastic and not the fibers. I really love when a brush is like this personally, just because I really find that it helps to really separate and coat each lash. I also really like the consistency of this mascara because it feels a little bit thicker. I hate when mascaras are runny, so this is a really nice thick consistency. So that's my top lashes done. As you can see, my lashes aren't very long anyway to begin with, but I really like the results of this. This mascara is nice. I really, really like this. I feel like it's so rare for me to like a mascara. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go put some false lashes on, and I'm gonna get my hair down, and then we're gonna do the lips, and I'll be right back. So I put my lashes on, and now we're gonna get started with the lips. First of all, we're gonna be trying the Buxom Plumpline lip liner, and that's this right here. I mean, it's obviously like a jumbo one, so you can use it to define your lips like me, or you can use this color all over. Honestly, it is so smooth. It just glides on. What I love about this as well is that it actually has a brush on the other end as well, which is so helpful if you kind of want to like blend in like the lip line if you don't want to use your finger. I usually just use my finger, but there's a brush on the other end, which is so handy. Next, we're going to go in with the Buxom Wildly Whipped Lightweight Liquid Lipstick. That's a mouthful. In the shade Centrefold. Now you could go for just this lip combination on its own, but I am going to top it with a gloss, which I think is going to look really nice with this look. Then to apply on top of this, I'm going to be taking the Buxom Full On Lip Cream, and this is in the shade White Russian. So guys, that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I am honestly loving all the products that I tried, honestly. Definitely impressed with everything that I tried in this video. Although this video is sponsored, you guys know that I am absolutely always honest, and I will never say things that I don't personally believe in. If you guys like testing videos, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Again, all you have to do is just click the link down below and also follow Brandbox and Buxom on Instagram. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Good luck to everybody that entered. Thank you to everyone for the support so far. Big thank you to Buxom for sponsoring this video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.